Okay, so for many of you dealing with pain issues, doing traditional sit-ups are really straining on your low back and on your neck. So I'm going to show you some really nice beneficial modifications you can do anytime you see a sit-up being performed in any one of your workouts. So a traditional sit-up, I'm just going to show you what it works here, is you're going to keep your low back on the floor and your arms up overhead, and without momentum, you're going to use your upper and lower abs to bring your whole upper body to meet your knees. Okay, so we want to make sure we use our upper and lower abs for the modification. So the first one, you're going to come onto your low back, and as always, make sure that your low back is tucked up and under so it's hitting the floor. You're going to bring your knees in, but you're going to push your knees out about 12 inches apart and slightly turn your knees at an angle. You're going to bring both hands behind your head, and you're going to support your head into a crunch position here, keeping your elbows out. And you're just going to bring both knees in, drop them down, hold, bring your abs up about 1/2 inch, back down, hold. So it's drop, in, up, and drop, drop, in, up, and drop. So if you're doing the modification with me, I know you can already feel it in your lower and upper abs. That's an excellent one. So the next one that you can do is, if you don't have wrist issues, you can come back and put all your weight on your palms, and your elbows are slightly bent here, and you're just gonna rest on the top of your booty, like not on your sit bones, but at the very, very top, just below your low back, excuse me. You're gonna lean back here, and you're either gonna bring one knee in and kick out, and then squeeze your abs to meet it, or you're gonna bring both knees in and kick out. The key is to move your upper and lower body here at the same time. Definitely challenging. These modifications are not easy, they're still challenging, but they're great for somebody who can't do a traditional push-up. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna stay in this exact same position. You're gonna rest on the top of your booty here, and you're just gonna bring one leg up. We're gonna try V-sits. So you're gonna hold there, grab with one arm or both arms, and this is the position you wanna be in for a V-sit. So you can stay here and hold for several seconds until you start to feel the burn, and then switch legs. Or you can challenge yourself, mighty challenge, and you can do a double leg V-sit. Now this one is an isometric exercise, so it's gonna be a lot easier on your body if you have joint pain or mobility issues. Okay, as long as I can do today. So anytime you're dealing with mobility issues, isometric modifications are amazing, and they work just as good.